Example 3.41, which is in page number 118. First subdivision. Find the values of k for which the quadratic equation kx square minus 8k plus 4 into x plus 81 is equal to 0 has real and equal roots. So what the question they given means, they given the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation has real and equal roots. If it is so, you have to find the value of k. So solution, given equation is kx square minus 8k plus 4 into x plus 81 is equal to 0. Since the equation has real and equal roots, that is delta is equal to 0. That is discriminant value will be 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here a is equal to k, b is equal to minus of 8k plus 4 and c is equal to 81, which is implies b value is minus of 8k plus 4 the whole square minus 4 into a value is k and c value is 81, which is equal to 0. So if you are taking the whole square to this means minus square will be plus and a plus b whole square format. So 8k square is 64k square plus 64k, that is 2ab, plus b square, that is 4 square is 16. Then minus into plus minus 4 into 81 is 324k is equal to 0. Now you should take this equation in the form of quadratic equation. After that you find the root of k using the factorization method. So 64k square plus 64k minus 324k, you get minus 260k plus 16 is equal to 0. So this equation is a multiple of 4. So throughout divide by 4 means you get 16k square minus 65k plus 4 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. The product of roots is 16 into 4. You get 64 plus 64 and sum of roots is minus 65. So 1 into 64 is 64 minus 61 minus 64. Minus into minus plus. So minus 1 into minus 64 is plus 64. Minus 1 minus 64 is minus 65. So 16k square minus k minus 64k plus 4 is equal to 0. If you are take k common out, remaining 16k minus 1, and here you have to take minus 4 common out. So remaining 16k minus 1 is equal to 0. So those two factors are same. You can club k minus 4. 16k minus 1 into k minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 1 by 16 or k is equal to 4. That's all. Now you find the value of k. Similarly, example 3.41, second subdivision, which is in page number 118. Find the values of k such that the quadratic equation k plus 9 into x square plus k plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0 has no real roots. So solution, since the equation has no real roots means that is discriminant value b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So here a is equal to k plus 9, b is equal to k plus 1, comma c is equal to 1. So b value is k plus 1 the whole square minus 4 into a value is k plus 9 into c value is 1, which is less than 0. So k plus 1 whole square is nothing but a plus b whole square. So k square plus 2k plus 1. You have to multiply this. Minus 4 into k is 4k, plus into minus minus 4 nines are 36, which is less than 0. So k square plus 2k minus 4k is minus 2k, plus 1 minus 36 is minus 35 is less than 0. Now the product of roots is minus 35 and sum of roots is minus 2. So 5 sevens are 35 plus 5 minus 7 means you get minus 2. So the factors are k plus 5 into k minus 7 is less than 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 5 comma 7. That is, k is lies between minus 5 less than k less than 7. Example 3.42, which is in page number 118 and continuation is in page number 119. So prove that the equation x square into p square plus q square plus 2x into pr plus qs plus r square plus s square is equal to 0 has no real roots. If ps is equal to qr, then show that the roots are real and equal. So solution, the given quadratic equation is x square into p square plus q square plus 2x into pr plus qs plus r square plus s square is equal to 0. So here a is equal to p square plus q square, b is equal to 2 into pr plus qs, c is equal to r square plus x square. Now delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So you substitute the value of a, b and c. So delta is equal to b value is 2 into pr plus qs the whole square minus 4 into a value is p square plus q square and c value is r square plus s square. So 2 square is 4, then pq plus qs the whole square. Here also you have 4. So we are taking 4 common out. So remaining term is minus p square plus q square into r square plus s square. Now we know the formula for a plus b the whole square. We can expand it. So p square r square plus q square s square plus 2pq rs minus, you just multiply these two factors, p square into r square, then p square into s square plus q square into r square plus q square into s square. Then we have multiply the negative sign throughout. So p square r square minus p square r square gets cancelled. Q square s square minus q square s square gets cancelled. So the remaining terms are 4 into 2pq rs minus p square s square minus q square r square. So we are rearranging it, minus p square s square plus 2pq rs minus q square r square. We are taking negative sign common out. So minus 4 into p square s square minus 2pq rs plus q square r square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So delta is equal to minus 4 into ps minus qr the whole square, which is less than 0, which is your equation 1. Since the discriminant value delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are not real. But the given condition is if ps is equal to qr, you have to show that the roots are real and equal. So if ps is equal to qr, delta is equal to minus 4 into, instead of ps you are substituting qr. So minus 4 into ps minus qr the whole square, which is equal to minus 4 into qr minus qr the whole square is equal to 0. Thus delta is equal to 0 if ps is equal to qr, and so that the root will be real and equal. Exercise 3.13, second problem. Find the values of k for which the roots of the following equation are real and equal. First subdivision, 5k minus 6 into x square plus 2kx plus 1 is equal to 0. So solution, the given equation is 5k minus 6 into x square plus 2kx plus 1 is equal to 0. Also given that the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal means the discriminant value is equal to 0. That is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 5k minus 6 and b is equal to 2k and c is equal to 1, which is implies b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now substitute the value of a, b and c in this equation. B square is nothing but 2k the whole square minus 4 into a value is 5k minus 6 and c value is 1 is equal to 0. So 2k the whole square is nothing but 4k square minus 4 into 5k is minus 20k, minus into minus plus, 6 4s are 24 is equal to 0. So divide 4 throughout, you get k square minus 5k plus 6 is equal to 0. The product of root is 6 and sum of root is minus 5. So 3 2s are 6, minus 3 minus 2 means you get plus 6. If you add this to root means you get minus 5. So the factors are k minus 3 into k minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 3 comma 2. Then second problem, second subdivision is your homework. The question is kx square plus 6k plus 2 into x plus 16 is equal to 0, which is in page number 119. So here also the roots are real and equal, that is discriminant value is equal to 0. So the answer is you get the value of k is equal to 1 comma 1 by 9. Problem number 3 which is in page number 119. If the roots of a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a is equal to 0 are real and equal, then prove that b, a, c are in arithmetic progression. So solution, given equation is a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a is equal to 0 or real and equal is given in the question. Then you have to prove that b, a, c are in arithmetic progression. So in this quadratic equation, the capital A value will be a minus b and b is equal to b minus c is equal to c minus a. If the roots are real and equal means the discriminant value will be equal to 0. So that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Which is implies b value is b minus c the whole square minus 4 into a value is a minus b, c value is c minus a is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square, so you have to expand this. So b square plus c square minus 2bc minus 4 into a into c is ac, a into minus a is minus a square, minus b into c is minus bc, minus b into minus a is plus ab, which is equal to 0. So now you multiply minus 4 to inside the bracket b square plus c square minus 2bc, which is minus 4ac minus into minus plus 4a square minus into minus plus 4bc minus into plus minus 4ab is equal to 0. So which is implies, so b square plus c square, here you have minus 2bc, here you have plus 4bc, so you get plus 2bc. Then minus 4ac plus 4a square minus 4ab is equal to 0. Next you have to arrange it. 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 4ab plus 2bc minus 4ac is equal to 0. So it is in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square. This is for your rough use. We know the formula a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Then if you take 2a minus b minus c the whole square is equal to a value is 2a the whole square and b value is minus b, c value is minus c. So 2a the whole square plus minus b the whole square plus minus c the whole square plus 2 into a value is 2a, b value is minus b plus 2 into b value is minus b, c value is minus c plus 2 into a value is 2a and c value is minus c. You get the equation 4a square plus b square plus c square minus 4ab plus 2bc minus 4ac. So instead of this you can write this 2a minus b minus c the whole square. So which is implies 2a minus b minus c the whole square is equal to 0. 2a minus b minus c is equal to 0. So b plus c is equal to 2a. A is equal to b plus c by 2. So therefore b, a and c are in arithmetic progression. Problem number 4, which is in page number 119. This is your homework problem. If a comma b are real, then show that the roots of the equation a minus b into x square minus 6 into a plus b into x minus 9 into a minus b is equal to 0 are real and unequal. So solution: to prove the roots a minus b into x square minus 6 into a plus b into x minus 9 into a minus b is equal to 0 are real and unequal. So you write the value for a, b and c. The discriminant value is equal to 0. So now you substitute the value of a, b, c in this equation. You get the discriminant value as 72 into a square plus b square is greater than 0 since a and b are real. Therefore your solution will becomes the roots of the equation are real and unequal. So this is your homework problem. Problem number 5. If the roots of the equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac is equal to 0 are real and equal. To prove that either a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, which is in page number 119. So solution: given roots of the equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac is equal to 0 are real and equal. You just write the question as it is what is given in the question. To prove a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So here in this quadratic equation, the capital A value will be c square minus ab, b is equal to minus 2 into a square minus bc and c is equal to b square minus ac. Now you substitute the values of the a, b, c in the discriminant value and you have to equate it to 0. So b value is minus 2 a square minus bc the whole square minus 4 into a value is c square minus ab into c value is b square minus ac is equal to 0. So minus 2 the whole square is 4, a square minus bc the whole square minus 4 into c square minus ab into b square minus ac is equal to 0. We are taking 4 common out. So a square minus bc the whole square minus c square minus ab into b square minus ac is equal to 0. If you are taking 4 to this side means it will become 0. Now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So you can expand this equation. So which is implies a power 4 plus b square c square minus 2a square bc minus, next you have to multiply these two factors. So c square into b square is c square b square, c square into minus ac is minus ac cube, then minus ab into b square is minus ab cube and minus ab into minus ac is minus into minus plus a into a is a square bc, which is equal to 0. So the next step is you have to take the negative sign inside the bracket. A power 4 plus b square c square minus 2a square bc minus c square b square minus into minus plus ac cube minus into minus plus ab cube minus a square bc is equal to 0. So here you have minus 2a square bc and minus a square bc. So it just implies a power 4 plus plus b square c square minus b square c square gets cancelled, plus a c cube plus a b cube minus 3 into a square bc is equal to 0. So in this term you have a. In this term also you have a. In this term also you have a. So you are taking a common out. The remaining term will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. So from this a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0, which is implies a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So hence it's proved. So now the exercise will be over. We meet on the next exercise 3.14. Thank you students. Have a nice day.